We interrupt this program to bring you an exclusive Tampa General report. Hospital staff are being injured by repositioning smaller patients. Now going live to John in the field. Now John, what are we going to do about this?
Hey Joe, I'm here at TGH where Nurse Deiontae is getting ready to reposition his patient right now.
Oh, my back. Oh, my back killing me, man. Oh.
He should have used the butterfly sling. Back pain got me hurting, hurt from turning. Please don't use the draw sheet on your patient. It can hurt you, it can hurt them. Use the butterfly sling shoulders. Are you hurting, hurt from turning? Please don't use the draw sheet on your patient. It can hurt you, it can hurt them. Use the butterfly sling. With injuries on the rise from repositioning, use the butterfly sling. It only takes a second to install and cuts down on cumulative back pain.